Oh yeah. Hey, where we going, Tony?
Dinosaur Museum.
Oh yeah, where's it at?
Hayes.
Hayes, Kansas. Say hi, Heather. Zacho!
What's up?
Yeah, what's up? Nice shirt, man.
Yeah.
All right. Killer. All right,
So,
is that the one at Jubilee?
no, it's the one over by Wally World. They got, that's an outfit that they're all over Kansas. That was the university.
Oh. University of what?
Hayes. That's where they...
Hayes University?
Hey, I can see that farm. I can see that farm.
Man, I still haven't figured out what these symbols say on here. Hey, that's Troy Aikman. Hey, Zach. Zach, what is this?
It's, Mastodon. Mastodon.
Mastodon?
Yeah.
What's that say, Tony? Here. It's right behind you. Museum of Natural History. Alright, somebody's bugging you here. What do you got, man? Is it getting you? Oh, this is an action photo. Oh, man, he just knocked me down. Zach, you're not going to put up with that, are you? Oh, he's running.
Okay.
All right.
Mr. Button. Hey, we're supposed to go over here.
Over where?
Discovery room.
All right, Discovery Room. Hey, what, how late you say they're open, one? Look, baby. Ah! Oh, that's you locking me out. Is he getting you, Zach? All right. Oh! Hey, man.
I want to hold it. Hey,
Nice.
can I hold it?
Yeah.
Do it.
They use their
What?
tongues to smell.
Hey, all right. Hey, buddy. You on camera? Oh, yeah? Hey, oh, he's camera shy, man. Kind of like you, Zach. Well, that were crawling on me when I was crossing the field. Remember I told you about that? Yeah.
That thing?
Uh-huh.
I got a close-up.
Yeah? Your buddies? See any bull snakes?
Down there.
Holy cow. Which one? Oh, look
And
at
that one
that.
already did.
Which one's shading this?
That one's shit. Oh, it's already...
You getting attacked by a lizard? No, he's attacking you. Oh, he's got his finger. Oh my God, not the deadly finger roll. Oh no. What are you gonna do now? Oh, now you're missing. You got. Oh, you've only got one finger left and a thumb. Hang loose.
No.
Thumbs up. Go! He gave him the Oriental Spike. Put him in a wrestling move. Okay, he's got him in a tail twist. He's trying to get him in submission. No, he does. Oh, he broke free. Oh, he's got the.
No, it's 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. He's out of there.
T-Rex.
Where at?
Come on, follow me.
Be quiet, Alan. They're gonna smell us.
This one moves too.
Oh, he's moving.
That way he'll move his head and start making noise.
Oh, yeah, there's how.
Oh, he is moving. Oh, I gotta get back here. It even makes noise too. What do you got? Okay, Zach, show me what the T-Rex is. Oh my gosh. What does he do? Every 3 minutes?
Yeah, T-Rex.
They go what? So what's in the cave? Oh yeah, flying birds. The cave!
That thing's mouth just started moving.
What thing?
Yeah, T-Rex just started moving, but it's
maybe
over.
we didn't see everything up there first. Maybe this goes down. That's what we did wrong.
Oh!
I want to see it walk.
He's big.
How long does it take before it walks?
Hey, Zach, what's the action scene, man?
Oh, you're Florida.
How are you sure it moves?
You're in Florida.
Okay. This is the biggest T-Rex in New York. And this T-Rex... Ah! T-Rex. Oh, look! It is moving back, look! Whoa!
The land of the lost.
It ain't me. It ain't me. Hey, Mike, Mike.
Wait. Hold on, there's someone.
Mike.
Wait.
Zach.
Ah, he didn't chomp up anything.
Uh-huh.
They good? Zach, feed the animals. That T. It's a vicious bird. Alright, Tony, where are we going, man?
Schmidt Gallery.
Schmidt Gallery, okay.
Welcome to Kansas 80 million years ago.
Okay. Welcome to Kansas, 80 million years ago.
Hey.
What you got, Zach? See the fish inside a fish? Close enough where that I can't tell it's in a case.
What?
Whoa! Where you at, Zach? Oh. Boing, boing, boing. See the bears, babe? See the bears? Oh. We got the deer. What do you see, Zach?
That thing that swims in the water.
Swimming in the water? Okay, let me
Yeah.
see. No, let me see.
Okay.
What is that?
I think it's something.
The sea otter.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's in this one?
Well, I don't know. It's a mystery to solve.
This is Guadalupe fur seal. Alright, let's check out the... Where are we going?
Carnival.
All right.
I remember when we went on the... I remember when we went on the carnival, they kept on cussing at us.
Who did?
Sound like it.
Yeah, it sounded like they were cussing at us.
You ain't gonna ride the bumper cars?
Bumper cars?
Yeah, I'll ride. You riding, babe?
Yeah, right.
I'm getting you.
Want a video camera? You're right.
Everyone I'm taking.
There you go.
What's your name? Who? Courtney who? Who is that?
You say Courtney Nana?
Hey, who are you? You Tanner?
Yeah, that's Tanner.
Tanner. Tanner, look up, man.
Hey, Tanner.
Hey, Tanner.
Oh.
Where you going, buddy? You camera shy? Oh, this guy ain't camera shy. He's everywhere. Hey, man. What's your name again? Courtney?
Yeah, Courtney.
Courtney Heathcock?
Hannah. He's saying Hannah. Look at your mama. Hey. Hey.
Beep.
Hey. Hey, Mike.
Hey, what?
There it is.
Rookies. Man, you guys are rookies. Now, you guys need some lessons, don't you?
Mikey, you might want to open up your shutters, man.
Oh, it is, man. You got me that time, you punk.
Get your face in it, too.
Oh, man. There we go. Now it's clearing up.